Nobody asked for this video. Nobody sent for me. Heck, this is not even highly requested. But you know what? I'm here anyway because some of you need it. Roll the intro, please. Black Diamond. Hi everybody, welcome back to my lesson. Okay, let's just jump right straight into it. Now, you're gonna need a sharp eyebrow pencil. It's short, but fun fact, it still does the job. So don't. This is important. And make sure it's actually written eyebrow pencil. You see that? If it's written eyeliner, your eyebrows are gonna be looking polished dark, and you don't want that. Black is beautiful, but there's a time and place for everything. Second, you're gonna need a very small mirror. You're gonna need to be up and personal with this baby because every detail has to be seen. Okay? Oh. After this tutorial, if there's anyone who's going to complain about you having your eyebrows done every single day, why you doing too much, why your eyebrows done every single day, tell them to go tell that to their cat. Because a cat is the one that can take their nonsense, not you. You slaying for yourself.
Oh, I'm gonna do that anyway. Because that's how I am.
And, you know, even if you're a natural beauty activist, there's not been at least one time. You can't tell me there's not been at least one time you wanted to slay your eyebrows and go out and have a brunch with the girls. Looking cute. Trust me. You don't need to do too much to look good. Just doing your eyebrows, you've defeated us. So even me, like before I went into makeup, I was just doing my eyebrows for a good minute, for a whole year. I'm not even lying. And I felt like a goddess. So this tutorial will do you good. Now for my people with bushy eyebrows, you're not gonna want to start drawing your eyebrows from the beginning, or else they're gonna be box-like. And we are over a decade past the 2000s. We don't do eyebrows like that anymore. So to make that ombre effect, to make that fade effect, we're gonna start drawing 2 centimeters from here, for my bushy girls and guys. But if you have non-existent eyebrows like me, this is what we're gonna do. We are gonna have to start from the beginning. Okay? There's nothing to make up for it. So we're gonna fake it. Okay? So you're gonna start right there, and we start drawing. Nicely, slowly, take it slow. In life, learn to take things slow. Don't rush it. You'll be shocked why she ghosts you all of a sudden because you're rushing things. Learn to take things slow in life. Alright? So I'm not gonna talk while doing this because my concentration is not that it doesn't multitask like that, so you're gonna have to forgive me. Shade in your eyebrows. And it really doesn't matter how you shade them in because concealer is gonna clean up everything. You'll see what I'm talking about in a bit. So just shade it as you please. Make sure you don't press too hard. Just lightly fill that in. Fill that baby in. It looks crazy now, but trust me, we're getting there. And everybody listen. Why I'm saying you have to have a small mirror is because it lets you see your natural brow line. Like, it's important to follow exactly the line of your eyebrow. I don't know if you get it.
What's not clicking? There's time.
Your natural eyebrow shape is gonna bring your face out even more. Your eyebrows frame your face. So if they are an inch, a quarter of an inch thicker than your natural shape, we're gonna see it. So Take it slow. Look closely. Look closely at how long it is. It's okay to elongate it just a bit, but not too much, y'all. Not too much.
Wait a damn minute.
I know, okay, I know it looks crazy right now. Please don't click out. I swear this is part of the process. I swear this is what I go through every single day, but it turns out fucking beautiful. Sorry, freaking beautiful. Now here's the magic brush right here. This is what's going to fade out the fake line that we formed earlier on. So we're gonna take it, brush it there. Brush it there. You see that? You see that? And tell me what to do. We're gonna do the same for the other eyebrow. Guys, I swear I can't do my eyebrows while I talk. Cause see, usually the process is not this scary. Seriously, it's not this scary. So I just feel like I should have kept quiet and done a voiceover, because at this point, yeah, I think I'm gonna do a voiceover at this point. I'm so sorry. I can't talk anymore. Hey, so it's voiceover me taking over this tutorial. Now I'm going in at the beginning of the eyebrows with that spoolie brush like thing, just feathering it out. Take your foundation, and now we're going to seamlessly carve out the beginning of our eyebrows. Yo, I really respect makeup artists that can film and do a tutorial at the same time. This was hell. This was hard. I'm looking at the camera, I'm looking at the mirror, and it's different images. Like, I was not having it easy. Now I'm taking my Nude Obsession palette from Miss Signature, and I'm going to take the gold and pop it at the arch of my brow. This is to give it that highlight, fling, wow effect like Kamisa said it. You know what I'm talking about. I know I keep going back and forth with this brush, but please trust me, it's gonna be worth it. And do not be impatient if your eyebrows take long to look good. I also have those days, and this is one of those days. So you're gonna keep carving your eyebrow with your foundation, not your concealer, to get that perfect shape. I was so relieved I finally got it here. I was losing my mind, but as you can see, I keep going in, practically doing the same thing, and it all depends on you. If you're a perfectionist, this might take longer, but you can stop when you're satisfied. But I just kept going. So as much as I'm not sure of how they're looking and how I'm feeling about them, this is the end, y'all. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial. I hope you practice and you do a much better job than this. But till next time, bye.